What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today has been a long time coming. There have been a lot of people who have been asking me for this cocktail, and I have been intending to oblige for a long time, but I just haven't really had the time to get to it. Finally, we have. Today, we are going to tackle the Pornstar Martini. The Pornstar Martini was created in 2003 at the Townhouse bar in London by a bartender named Douglas Ankrah. The Townhouse was sort of an offshoot out of one of the most one of the most inventive bars in London was called Lab, and the Townhouse was the Lab was sort of at the epicenter of their cocktail renaissance, and the Townhouse is sort of an offshoot from the Lab. That's all I got for you on it. I hope you guys enjoy. I've been asked a lot about this cocktail, so I'm really glad that we're finally getting to it. So the first thing we're going to do is just going to add 2 ounces of passion fruit puree to a tin, and then we're going to do 2 bar spoons of vanilla syrup. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of Passoā, which is a Brazilian passion fruit liqueur, and what was originally used in this cocktail. De Kuyper makes one as well, but Passoā is the original, so we are using Passoā. And then we're doing 1.5 ounces of Absolute vanilla. You need to have vanilla vodka. There are a few that are made. Absolute's really good. Plus, it was very popular at the time. So there it is. And then we're just going to add some ice into our tin and give this a good old shake. All right. And then we're just going to double strain into our glass. I wanted to use this glass because it's very 80s, but you can see the wash line is considerably high. There we have it. And then the drink is not complete without a Sidecar, few ounces of champagne or sparkling wine. There it is, the Pornstar Martini. Let's take a sip. Whoa. That is just, and then let's see how it goes with the Sidecar. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, I like that. That's nice. It's nice to have that nice, this is pretty sweet. And this is very dry, and it just complements each other so well. So, of course, what's nice about this drink is that A, it's not overly sweet. The Passoā gives it this so the Passoā, so the passion fruit, you get, obviously, you use 2 ounces of passion fruit in here, so you get the passion fruit right off the bat. You have this little tiny silver lining of vanilla on the back end. It's just right on the back end. It's really subtle. And then you have the Passoā. So the Passoā has this really particular flavor that doesn't quite taste like fresh passion fruit. It's got this, but it does have this kind of tropical sort of vibe to it. It's very hard to describe, and it's kind of dry in the finish. So you got this nice kind of outwardly sweet cocktail that finishes on kind of a bitter, dry note, and then you have your nice little champagne to accompany you. Oh, I love that, and that's just nice and dry as well. Honestly, I could also see this pairing well with a Prosecco or Cava that has a little more sweetness to it, but I do like the dry champagne with it. So there you have it, my friends, the Pornstar Martini. Oh, if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe, and check us out on Patreon for all the exclusive content we be dropping there. Patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly. I will see you guys next time.